This is Alfonso, my plant.
Yes! Get into it.
In our balcony.
Whatever you need to do it, that is the stronger pallets I have.
Yes, the journey begins. So this is before. This is Anna's corner. So I wanted the illusion of a bed, so I used 2 pallets and I painted them yellow. I got a rug. If it'll open. That is the name. Oh, gee. The last thing that I got, I still don't know where to put, but it's these magical leaves that light up. I think I'll put them around like my bed frame of the balcony, and like I'll get more so I can like put it on my bed frame or something. You know, just a little something. So cute. I had to buy it. Hey guys, so I finished my balcony. Also my camera's gonna die, but here it is. The vibes. Oh my god! The vibes, the rug. No! Those are red lights. Okay, yes. Hi. Isn't it amazing? Oh, okay, I need a shot.
Several days later.
This is not cute anymore. It's so hard. You guys get the point. But yeah, I'm proud of my project. I just need to like get some plants and whatnot. The vibes. Oh. Vibes. The vibes. That took so much out of me.
Ooh. I love this. Like you really just like pimped out your balcony.
Oh, yeah. Hello guys, so I got these pearl plants and I want to put it on here, but I don't know how, so Chris and I are just gonna figure it out. All right, Chris, let's do this.
Let's do it. Okay, you know what? On camera it doesn't look right.
Okay, yeah, let's take this. Let's take it down again.
Damn. Well,
Okay, so if there was a plant here, maybe this is just the holder at the top, because I feel like it's down here where it should be held.
right.
Oh, freaking genius!
Your mind.
I did it! Okay.
God, the way we almost just left it like that. The way I almost made you leave it like that. I'm
That would have been bad.
so bad.
Hello!
Alright.
Let's put the pearls inside.
Yeah. Let's put them inside.
Bloody hell.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so cute!
That's everything. Plant tour.
This is Alfonso, my plant. I'm so proud of everything that we've been through to get to this point. But yeah, it's a pearl plant. If you guys want one yourselves, that's the name.
Let us know in the comments if you want a pearl plant.
They say it's easy to take care of, just needs water. Obviously, like any other plant. Thanks for watching me decorate my balcony. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you on the next one.
That's cute.
Thank you for. I can't. Okay. Okay. Serious. Okay. Oh, Amazon Prime's here.
And kind of like get in the sun a little bit, because this camera kind of like makes the shadows very prevalent. And then just be like, hey guys, thank you for watching today. Like, subscribe for more videos and give it a like. Follow my Instagram at Ealicious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Make it like really glamorous, you know?
Okay, really glamorous. Okay. Give this video a subscribe. One more time. Okay, it's hard. Okay. Let me practice first.
More. Oh, oh,
Make
can
sure
I-
you don't fall.
Okay. Oh, oh, she came off. That's like the thumbnail. I'm like,